Imagine waking up to a gentle memory of someone who is no longer by your side, but whose presence, somehow, still lives in every corner of your day. It's as if the air still knows his name, and the empty spaces in the house whisper stories only you understand. Yes, he still feels you. And even though the silence between you seems too long, the angels want to reveal something to you today. He still carries you in every thought, in every sigh, and his soul is quietly tracing the way back. Perhaps you have tried to move on. Maybe you've told yourself that time heals all wounds. But there's something that neither time nor logic can erase. The truth felt deep in the soul. That silent certainty that something was different between you. Something profound. Something the angels call a spiritual bond. And it's exactly for this reason that, even from a distance, this person still feels you as if he never left. The angels reveal that he is entering a phase of deep inner transformation. The absence of your presence has awakened questions in him that he has avoided for a long time. He realizes that the emptiness he feels is not just the lack of you, but the absence of himself, of his own truth, which you, with your light, helped bring to the surface. He tries to live normally, but everything feels colorless, meaningless. Because deep down he knows, it was with you that he discovered what true love is. Do you remember that look in his eyes, filled with unspoken questions? Those moments when his touch seemed to seek something even he couldn't understand? Well, the angels reveal that it wasn't just desire or need. It was soul recognizing soul. He felt it. And even though he tried to deny it, the feeling grew inside him like a seed planted in the dark, quiet, but firm. And now, he can no longer run from the truth. He wants you. He needs you. But not in the same way he did before. No. Now, he wants to meet you with his feet on the ground and his heart open. He wants to return not as someone running from pain, but as one who accepts healing. He understands that you are not just someone from the past. You are part of his journey, part of his purpose. And this realization is changing everything within him. He is reevaluating his choices, his beliefs, his fears. Because when he thinks of you, he remembers what it means to be true. And that scares him. But it also draws him in. Because you are the home he never knew he was looking for. And maybe you're out there wondering, but why now? Why did he take so long? The answer, dear soul, lies in divine timing. The timing of the heart isn't the same as that of the clock. Sometimes you have to lose to understand the value. Sometimes you need silence to hear the truth. And now in his silence, his love for you is louder than ever. It's a love that pulses even when he tries to silence it. A love that guides his steps back, even if he still doesn't know how to get there. The angels reveal that he has been dreaming of you. Not just dreams of the unconscious, but real encounters between souls recognizing each other on a spiritual level. At night, when the defenses fall, his soul seeks you. And when he wakes up, he feels it. Maybe confused, maybe resistant, but he feels it. And this feeling is growing. It is becoming a calling. A calling he won't be able to ignore for much longer. And here's the most important point. The angels are preparing everything. Every synchronicity, every unexpected encounter, every feeling he can't explain. It's all being orchestrated so that he can return different. Whole. Ready. But for this, there's something only you can do now. Keep your heart open yet firm. Receptive, but aligned with your own worth. Because he is coming back, yes, but he's coming back to a woman who loves herself, who honors herself, and who knows what she deserves. And maybe you're wondering, should I wait? The answer is within you. But the angels say, you don't have to stand still waiting. You can move forward with a light heart, knowing that what is true will find its way back. And if this love is truly yours, it will come. Not out of need, but by choice, by awareness, by love. Now take a deep breath. Feel. The angels are whispering in your heart, he still feels you. He still sees you. And he's coming. And when that moment arrives, when his eyes meet yours again, it will not be like before. It will be stronger, more genuine. Because now, he will not come in search of something. He will come bringing everything. And before we continue, answer me honestly. Are you ready to receive this love? Are you willing to let down your walls and trust in what the heavens have prepared for you? If the answer is yes, then write in the comments, I receive this reconnection with love and faith. Because this simple gesture, when done with the heart, releases a powerful energy of permission in the spiritual realm. This reunion will not just be between two bodies. It will be between two souls that recognized each other even before incarnating. And this, my dear, this is rare. It is sacred. It is destiny. There's something you've been feeling, isn't there? An unease that defies logical explanation but insists on appearing when you least expect it. Sometimes in the stillness of the night, other times in the middle of the day, like a thought that arrives and refuses to go away. It's as if something or someone is still connected to you. And no, this isn't just your imagination. This feeling has a name, it has direction, it has history. And you know exactly who we're talking about. It's curious how certain memories don't ask for permission. They come back on their own, with details you didn't even realize you remembered. A gesture, a phrase, the way he looked at you when he thought you weren't watching. He feels it too. But unlike you, he's still trying to understand. He's caught between wanting to forget and realizing he can't. Because what you shared doesn't just disappear. It can't be exchanged. And most importantly, you can't find it again just anywhere. Lately, he's been reliving every little piece of what was real between you two. Things you might not have thought were that significant. But they were. They were important to him. They were impactful. And now, amid the turmoil of feelings he's trying to hide, that's what surfaces. It's your presence that returns. Not like a distant memory, but like something that's there, alive, strong, persistent. Because some things don't leave the soul, even when the mind tries to push them away. You don't need proof to know this. Deep down, you feel it. It's not about neediness. It's not just any sort of nostalgia. It's about knowing. Intuitively, you understand that there's a story between you that hasn't ended. That it's been suspended. And that it is being touched again slowly by the hands of time, or rather by the energy of something greater. What he feels now is confusing. A mix of desire and fear, wanting and doubt. He thinks about you more than he would like to admit. And it affects him. Because he always believed he was in control. That he could go on living as if nothing had happened. But something did happen. And the impact of it all still echoes inside him. He misses the calm that only you brought. The connection he has never had with anyone else. He even tried to find something similar. But you know how it is. What is true cannot be replicated. It either is or it isn't. Perhaps he won't say anything. Maybe he'll keep trying to act as if everything is fine. But inside, he's questioning everything. Because the memories he tried to keep locked away are returning one by one. And along with them comes the realization that what he left behind was exactly what he needs most right now. And this is where you need to understand your role. Not as someone who waits, but as someone who stands firm, who knows themselves, who chooses themselves. You are not here to be anyone's escape plan. You are the home, the truth, the presence that transforms. And he is, little by little, realizing this. Chasing after him won't help. That's not what the angels want for you. What is meant to be finds its way. Even if it takes time. Even if it seems impossible. And what you both have is exactly that. A bond that time cannot break, that distance cannot erase, and that attempts to move on only strengthen. Because it's not just anything. It's deep. And he knows this now, even if he doesn't yet have the courage to say it. So if something inside you is telling you that he still thinks about you, that there's still something between you, listen. Trust. But don't lose yourself in this. Because what will truly attract back what is yours, is being well. It's being whole. It's choosing yourself every single day. This phase he is going through is just the beginning. It's the start of the turnaround. He is being confronted by his own emotions, and the angels are showing that he won't be able to escape this for long. Because his soul is restless. It's in search. It is, indeed, returning. And when this return happens, because it will happen, he won't come back as before. He will come back with more awareness, more truth. And then you will be able to look at him and decide, not from a place of need, but from your strength, from your worth, from the woman you have become. Now tell me, are you ready? Maybe he still doesn't have the strength to reach out to you. Maybe he fears your reaction, fears not being accepted, fears that it might already be too late. But dear, don't be fooled, he thinks about you. And he thinks with affection, with longing, with a deep desire to rebuild, to redefine, to allow himself. It's as if the entire universe is conspiring for this reconnection. People, places, songs, repeated numbers, everything starts to point to you. He feels this energetic pressure intensifying, and the angels are showing that soon, he will have a moment of clarity so intense that there will be no turning back. He will know what he needs to do. He will know that the only path that makes sense is the path that leads back to you. But there is something crucial here. The angels ask that you take care of your vibration, that you continue to align with self-love, with the light of your soul, with the certainty of your worth. Because the reunion, when it comes, will be a reflection of the energy you cultivate now. It will not be a return based on need, but on choice. He will choose you, and you will finally be able to choose as well, from abundance, not from scarcity. The angels show that you may receive a very clear sign in the coming hours. Something that confirms everything you are feeling right now. It could be a message, a dream, or even an unexpected encounter. But when it happens, you will know. Because your heart will resonate in a way that you cannot ignore. And when that moment comes, when he expresses in words what his heart has already been silently shouting, be ready. Ready to listen with your heart, not with the fears of the past. Because this love that is being reborn right now, it comes with healing. It comes with purpose. It comes with truth. And before we wrap up this stage, allow yourself a brief pause. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And repeat to yourself, I am ready to experience a love that honors me, sees me, and chooses me. Feel the weight of doubts dissolving. Feel the presence of angels around you. They are preparing every detail, like conductors tuning the perfect symphony for this reunion to happen. Oh, and if this text has touched your heart in a special way, know that it was not a coincidence. This call was for you. And if you've made it this far, it's because you are ready for the next step. And the angels, with much love, invite you to continue this journey with them. Now, if this message has stirred something within you, if you feel that you are part of this story, then write in the comments, I accept to live the love that awaits me. Because this declaration opens a new frequency. And in this new frequency, miracles happen. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is the time. Yes, right now. Because when you subscribe with an open heart, you activate a current of blessings that goes far beyond what the eyes can see. You allow messages like this to reach you exactly when you need them most. And believe, the angels will continue guiding you, whenever you say yes. This is not the end. It's the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter where love doesn't hurt, doesn't frighten, doesn't demand. It simply flows. And this is the energy that's coming your way. Get ready, because his soul is returning. Slowly, quietly, but with a heart increasingly full of courage to embrace what has always been yours. Can you feel the intensity of all this? It's as if something is moving inside and outside of you at the same time. And it's not just a feeling, it's energy. An energy filled with purpose, filled with truth. Because when two souls are connected by something greater, no obstacle, no matter how painful, can erase that bond. It only transforms it. And now, That transformation is reaching a turning point. The angels show that this person has spent a lot of time trying to convince themselves that they could go on without you. They buried themselves in distractions, commitments, even in other relationships, but nothing filled the void. Because what you have is irreplaceable. It's not comparable. It's a soul connection. And the more they try to escape, the more life pushes them back toward what is true. There are nights when this person wakes up in the middle of a dream with you. Other times, they catch themselves smiling while recalling an old conversation, a gesture of yours, a phrase that only you two understand. And in those little memories, something inside them starts to shift. A kind of longing that isn't just physical, it's spiritual. As if something inside them is calling out for you. As if your absence screams louder than any presence around. At this point, the angels want you to understand, you don't need to chase after it. Because everything that is real will find its way back. His soul is coming back, yes, but it's returning because it needs to, because it feels, because it chooses. And that changes everything. But for this reunion to manifest with lightness and fullness, you need to keep doing your part. Nurture your light, protect your energy field, trust. Because the more you align with what is true for you, the more that truth reflects in the world around you, including in this person. And the angels are asking for something special now. Take a moment, place your hand over your heart, and say softly but firmly, I deserve a love that recognizes me, honors me, and chooses me. Feel the power of that affirmation. Repeat it as many times as you feel necessary. Because it is in this vibration that the reunion blossoms. It is in this energy that miracles unfold. This person, who may have hurt you or distanced themselves out of fear, is now looking inward. They are recognizing the patterns that caused them to resist love. And little by little, they will start to let go of them. They will break free. Because the memory of what you shared together is too strong to be ignored. It is too real to be erased. And when they come back, because they will come back, they will offer words that you may have waited a long time to hear. But more than words, they will come with presence, with intention, with the decision to make it work. Because now they know, you are not just anyone. You are the turning point, the ray of light, the answer to the questions they didn't even know how to ask. Even if there is still fear, the angels show that this reunion will be different. Because it will come at the moment when both of you are more prepared, more aware, more mature, and above all, more connected with what the soul desires, and not just the ego. So, keep moving forward. Keep shining. Keep saying yes to yourself. Because, at the right moment, they will say yes to you both. And it will be beautiful. Dear soul, if this message resonated with you deeply, if you felt your heart beat differently while reading each word, then please write in the comments, I welcome this divine love into my life. Because this simple act of writing with faith activates a powerful manifestation field. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, know that each subscription is not just a click, it's a spiritual step. A signal to the angels that you are ready to receive, learn, and grow. So click to subscribe right now, and allow this stream of light to continue guiding you. Remember, the reunion has already begun within. And soon enough, it will blossom on the outside as well.